Our fab speed, we have a 2011 C2S Cabriolet. Just came to fab speed for the full performance package installation with the sport headers. They include the 200 cell HJS sport catalytic converters, emission compliant no check engine lights. We also upgraded the ECU with the Vomsit. So right now, power's about 420 horsepower to the crank. All right, Jeff, give it a blip. Let's get a cold start. It's got the Maxflo Mufflers, the primary bypass X-pipe. Again, we did have the sport headers installed, competition air intake, dual filters, carbon fiber unit carbon fiber windshield, and dual chrome tips to finish it off.